Hi friends, welcome to the home recipes. Today I will show you how to make simple and tasty Dhaba style Rajma Masala. Let's get started. I am using overnight soaked Rajma. You can soak the Rajma for 8 hours or overnight. Transfer the soaked Rajma to a pressure cooker. Pour just enough water to cover the Rajma. Add half a teaspoon of salt and pressure cook it for 7 to 8 whistles. After the pressure is released, check the rajma. It should be soft and well cooked. Then the masala will taste really good. Now I am lightly mashing half of the cooked rajma. This gives the gravy a nice thick texture. It tastes delicious with rice and is perfect with chapati too. Next, place a pan on the stove and add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 cardamom, 1 cloves of star anise, 2 bay leaves and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add 2 medium-sized onions that I have ground into a coarse paste. Saute everything well until the onions turn light golden. Next, add 2 green chillies finely chopped. Then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute everything well until the raw smell goes away. Next, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute the spices in the oil for a few seconds. Then add the puree of 5 medium tomatoes. Add half a teaspoon of salt and cook everything well until the tomatoes are nicely cooked and the oil starts to separate. Once the tomatoes are well cooked, you will see the oil start to separate. At this stage, add about a quarter cup of water and mix well. This helps prevent the masala from sticking to the pan. Now add the cooked rajma. Then pour in about 1.5 cup of water and gives everything a good mix. Now add salt for the rajma masala. We have already added a little salt while cooking the rajma. So taste the gravy first and then add more if needed. Adjust it to your preference. For a nice aroma, crush a half a teaspoon of kasurimethi, add it to the gravy. Then add quarter teaspoon of garam masala and give it a good mix. Once it comes to a boil, switch off the heat. Finally, garnish with some fresh coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of butter. That's it, our cooking is done. Try this recipe at home and enjoy it. Don't forget like and share and subscribe to the Home Recipes channel. Happy cooking!